So this is Raton, New Mexico, and we have the TV streaming like full speed ahead. We're using phones. We have excellent connection, high speed. Didn't have it with our old T-Mobile plan. So on to the next stop.
Hi guys, so we are in Albuquerque, New Mexico.
And our little miracle device just keeps on working. We've got 5 bars, incredible connectivity. We're powering TV, another TV, 4 other devices. We're running 6 devices. So far in the month, we're at 400 gig we've used of high speed wireless. This thing is incredible.
Yeah.
So we are now parked at the Flagstaff KOA journey. It's up in the hills a little bit, in the woods. I noticed that our Verizon dropped off to about 3 bars on our phones, but our FMCA, Family Motor Coach Association Tech Plus modem with Sprint T-Mobile service is jamming. We've got high-speed internet. We're streaming the U.S. Grand Prix. We watch every race, every weekend during the season. If we'd missed this, I don't know what we would have done, but our FMCA is just rocking it. So, on to the next stop. Hey guys, I just had to take a break. I am currently watching an Adobe training seminar. At the same time, the television is streaming, and the bandwidth, speed, and just effectiveness of this MiFi 8000 is just unbelievable. We're at our latest destination, Phoenix, Mesa. Actually, we'll be here for a couple weeks. I guess this is more of an urban setting than we've been in, so it's to be expected that we'd get a really solid connection, but it's been this way across the western United States. It's just amazing. Hey guys, so we are back with a second video on the FMCA. I'm getting it right this time. If you watched the previous video on this subject, I butchered the name. Anyway, FMCA, Family Motor Coach Association, Tech Plus, Sprint T-Mobile, MiFi 8000, a system that you can get for the fraction of the cost of just about any other Wi-Fi platform that you can have in your RV or anywhere you need it, that has been delivering just 100% reliable. So we've gone through a full month now. Believe it or not, we just tested this thing like crazy. We were running the TV all the time. I attended a 3-day Adobe videography conference. Chris has been running social media constantly, sometimes 2 TVs at once, 7 devices devices have been hooked up to this little wonder gadget for $49.95 a month. So we ran in excess of 700 gig in that 30-day period. The cost using our previous provider would have been over $400. Cost is $49.95 a month for the Tech Plus system. So we'll continue to test this, but it's so easy. It sits on a shelf near a window, but we've also had it in different locations, like by the pool, in our truck, and so forth. You don't need an antenna with a booster. You don't need any kind of a booster. This is it. And as you just saw, we've been in everything from a rural town, Raton, New Mexico, to up in the woods near Flagstaff, Arizona, to urban settings, and it's been 5x5 everywhere we've been. Now let's hear Chris's opinion, because she does social media and communicates with her daughters all the time.
Hi folks, so I want to talk a little bit about what has literally transformed within the last month or so our social media, or basically our life. Now, what I do is I help with social media as a job, I guess, with Rolling Help. I'm on social media, everything from TikTok, Facebook, and you probably on that too, Instagram. And the thing is that having that work for you in a business is key. And I also have another small business. But the thing is that if you do not have the bandwidth or the connectivity as how we have gotten, it's, oh my gosh, it was just so difficult. There were so many times, especially on TikTok, you try to do those dances and what have you, and there were so many times where you do something and then halfway through it either dropped or it didn't come through or it took forever. Thinking of something that you're trying to upload just doesn't come through. I mean, there were so many times where I actually had to turn off my Wi-Fi for it to actually work, and even that, a lot of content was just lost. So that is since this change, that is one big key factor that has been a game changer. The other one, which if you are RVing full-time, is pretty important, is having Zoom calls. Well, Zoom calls, FaceTime, that kind of things, and really connecting either with business associates or with me, my family. I mean, we have family all over. I mean, we have children in Canada, Hawaii, Colorado, even in Austin. And for us to connect with them using FaceTime or what have you, having this device has been a game changer. I don't have to worry about talking to them and they're like, Mom, are you still there? And there was one time at one location, we literally had to drive 3 miles to a coffee shop, hooked to their Wi-Fi just to connect with our kids. So this has been a game changer. I'm so excited that small device, I mean, I can connect with we can connect with our kids like that. We can connect with our business partners like that. We can connect with you in no time at all. Anyway, it's just been amazing.
So,
I wanted to accomplish two things. First of all, I wanted to get the name right. FMCA, Family Motor Coach Association. And the first video, we were just astounded by the economics of this program, this plan that FMCA offers. The savings that we have by eliminating our previous high-speed T-Mobile plan that never worked properly, that costs $252 a month, and not having to add any new equipment, and then replacing it with this for $49.95 a month. Now remember, we have an antenna up on the roof, we have a router in one of our closets, all this equipment that we needed for our previous plan, and it just did not work. Then we also eliminated Dish Network that we were paying $100 a month with a couple of add-ons. I think the base price was around $80, but we replaced that with YouTube TV that allows us every channel under the sun and local channels. So right now we're in Phoenix. If we wanted, we could get the local news channels, all the local networks, and so on. So we've saved a ton of money, but what we've also saved is brain damage and frustration. My God, we don't have to worry. We have not had to worry about this system operating with connectivity, speed, and bandwidth to power 7 devices. You saw it. So, for more information, go to FMCA.com. And for more information about Rolling Help, go to rollinghelp.org. Remember, our mission is to provide voice to food banks in small towns around the country. So we're RVing with a purpose. Here on YouTube, we give you as much content related to our experience living full-time on the road in our 44.5-foot DRV mobile suites, Houston. So, to all our RVer friends out there, thanks for viewing, thanks for your support, and to all our donors to Rolling Help, thank you. You allow us to be that drop in the bucket to help support food banks in small towns. So, have a great one from Rolling Help.